What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, join the freaking Flyers Club, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out, drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. Now, as usual, let's get right into it. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff. We got a regular old red Nike Dunk box here, all the way around, man. Nothing special on the packaging. Tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, white, and Hyper Royal, size 12, man. Personal size. I was walking around the mall today, bro, just checking out the stores, man. I ran into these joints. Thought these would be a pretty good back to school shoe and a shoe to review for my back to school series that I've been doing. So let's get into this joint, man. Let's see what they look like. Now here we have the Nike Dunk Low in the white and Hyper Royal colorway. And in my opinion, man, this is another perfect shoe for back to school. Let's get into the details and materials and let's check this joint out. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man, it's laced in a white leather going all the way across. White going across that toe box and all the way around the shoe. White going all the way across the toe guard, side panel, and back panels, man. Just white, smooth leather. This isn't anything premium. This is just your typical Panda Dunk leather, but in an all-white colorway. Has blue leather going across that swoosh right there, going all the way across the back. The heel tab is in white with the blue Nike embroidered in. The back of the shoe laced in white leather as well. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, white going across all panels of the inside of the shoe, except for that blue swoosh, of course. Getting to the top of the shoe, like I said earlier, it does have white on that toe box, pure white laces, pure white tongue. It has the pure white Nike tag with the blue Nike stitched in. And then here on the insole, man, it's laced in the blue insole with the white Nike pressed on. White going all the way around that sock liner. We do have the pure white going across that midsole. Hyper Royal going all the way across the outsole, man. This is a pretty decent shoe, I can't lie. Plain and simple, royal and white. Perfect for back to school, man. Perfect for back to school, man. White and blue shoe goes well with a lot of things, a lot of school uniforms and things like that. And with it being a majority white shoe, it can be worn with a lot of just regular neutral colors as well, bro. So definitely a solid shoe so far. The materials aren't just amazing. They aren't great or anything like that. But as far as back to school, man, if you look for something for your high schoolers on down, even for your college students looking for a dope pair of kicks for back to school, man, this will be a good one. And it's on the cheaper option, man, for sure. Definitely on the cheaper option. Now getting into the right shoe real quick, just the same as the left, man. It has the white and blue going all the way around the entire shoe. Mainly white, blue swooshes and blue hits. Has the blue hit here on the back. Same as the other shoe, man. All white going all the way around the shoe. White on the midsole, Hyper Royal on the outsole. Just a smooth shoe overall. Pure white, blue, easy wear, man. Let me know what you guys think about these so far. I know it's nothing crazy. I know it's nothing hype, but this isn't for the hype shoes, man. This is just for a good shoe to wear, a good daily, a good back to school shoe. Hence why it's my back to school series. This is the third shoe in the back to school series. I have the oil green joints. I had the black and industrial blue joints, like the airbrush swoosh pair, and then I have this pair. It's like my third, like cheap retail, good back to school shoe. You can check out the links to those videos down below if you want to check those out. But here we are with this joint, man. This is a smooth shoe overall. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, I got these joints for retail, 110 bucks. That's 120 out the door with tax in Texas. And as far as resale, man, these haven't gotten a big release yet, not like Nike or Foot Locker and things like that. I think I grabbed these from JD Sports or Finish Line or one of those stores. And they said they just got them in yesterday. I hadn't seen them in any other stores. But like I said, it's still a good back to school pair for sure if you're looking. Still shopping. I know school started maybe this week, maybe later this week. Some people are next week. So if you're still looking, this will be a good one that you can find for back to school, for retail. Like I said, check your Finish Lines, your JD Sports. You should be able to find this pair. And of course, they'll be coming soon, like on Nike and Foot Locker and things like that. And the price may even drop a little more, man. Resale on these joints is like right at retail, man. So there is really no retail prices on these. You can get them for like 120, 130 on your aftermarket apps. But like I said, just check the stores. You should be able to grab them for smooth retail, out the door with the receipt. And you'll be able to return them if anything like that happens. But you should be able to grab these joints for the low for sure. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this shoe, man, it's a smooth shoe, man. Nothing crazy. It does have like your regular dunk flaws, like where the midsole is bonded. It has like little wrinkles and things like that. But no stitching errors, no crazy glue marks or anything like that. I do see like small glue marks on here. Just a preview of it right there. It's that small glue mark, but nothing major, man. Nothing crazy. The white is white, the blue is blue, man. There's no errors, there's no bleeding, there's no missed stitches or anything like that, bro. So you're getting a regular dunk, man. It's a decent shoe overall, but don't expect a crazy quality shoe, and don't expect the shoe that's gonna just last forever. With this quality of leather that they have, and just with it being a white shoe overall, it won't last forever. But like I said, it's a good back to school shoe, white and blue, especially if your kid is in a school that has white and blue as their school colors. I think this will be a really good one for sure. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Dunk Low in the white and Hyper Royal colorway, man. This is the third shoe in my back to school series, like I said before. Leave a comment down below, just let me know how you guys are feeling about this joint. I know it's not crazy hype, but it's a smooth shoe, man. Just leave a comment down below, let me know how you guys are feeling. It's a cop drop, you dripping, flipping, skipping. Just let me know, man. Leave me a comment down below. In my opinion, man, this is giving like the vibes of like the Air Force Ones that we used to wear. They all come in like a pure white color, then it has the color swoosh, and then the color bottom to match, man. I like those style of Air Force Ones, and I believe that's what they're trying to do with a lot of these dunks, man. They're taking the same patterns and things that they did on Air Force Ones, and they just add them to the dunk because they know the dunk is like the hottest shoe out right now, man. So like I said, man, just leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about it. But like I said, it's gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the white and Hyper Royal Nike Dunk Low, man. Peace.